how I managed to get noticed and grow my business for just one night. In my journey towards business success, I transitioned from distributing leaflets to adopting a much more modern marketing approach. Can you guess what it was? I'm excited to share with you my stories and importance of asking questions and how it led me to realize the significance of having a website. From leaflets to website, embracing the power of online marketing. Even without computer and any computer skills, I heard about the internet and I knew I needed to have a website for my business. In 2003, I launched our very first website. It was a game changer. For one night, we ranked on the first page of Google for multiple keywords. The phone rang constantly, bringing me a lot of hundreds of inquiries. Can you imagine the difference from newspapers, magazine, and leaflets to having an online presence? Back in 2003, online competition was very minimum, and Google placed us on the top of the first page. It was a significant moment that kick-started my business. I needed to hire my first secretary, my first 20 cleaners for 1 week. The lesson here is very clear. Every single business needs